Now, what is the extraction way? Now, of course, for ages we have been thinking or had been understanding as it is a process where the nipple is being squeezed and then there is a peristaltic movement of the tongue which pushes back the milk, and the tip of the nipple goes as far as possible, right? But of course you can see now things have been changed, or not things have changed, the understanding has changed, where it is actually through a process of extraction through a negative pressure. So if you look at this, you can see there is no crushing of the nipple and there is no peristaltic wave of the tongue, but the tongue and the nipple ends short of the end of the hard palate, creating a small space of vacuum, and into this vacuum it extracts the milk. The contraction made by the oxytocin through the epithelial the myocytic cells is important in pushing the milk from the far end into the distal end or into the nipple, and then the negative pressure created here drags the milk in. So as a result of that, you can see that there is no peristaltic movements of the tongue, and then no indentation of the nipple, and the tip of the nipple does not end at the end of the hard palate, but it ends short of the hard palate. So this had been shown actually through series of ultrasound scans, and they have shown that quite clearly, right? If you see the same ultrasound scan which had been overlaid by the structures drawn, here you can see the nipple and here you can see the tongue. So there is no peristaltic movement, it is just coming down and going up, creating this vacuum, right? And this is the hard palate here, whereas the soft palate here. So it stops here, gives a vacuum, a space where it is a vacuum which pulls the milk in. So it is not so the whole purpose of getting the areola into the mouth is actually to get a proper seal, and not that because there are lactiferous sinuses and the child should bite on them. It is not the case. What is the case is that you get a good proper seal of the mouth with the lips and the breast, and then help them to create a proper negative pressure there. So that is the important thing